No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. And we are at Automodz. We're here today. We've got some power steering pipes to fit on the 1.6 petrol Mark II Focus. We're going to see how easy they are. They are non-genuine ones off eBay. I'll stick the link in the description. The Ford ones are about £150, believe it or not, but these were $39.99 delivered. So we're going to give it a try, get them on, and we'll see how it goes, guys. See you soon. Right, so Mark's just bringing the car into the unit now. You can probably hear that pump whining a little bit as the fluid's getting a bit low due to this power steering pressure pipe split. Yep, you can really hear it whining at the front. So we'll get the car up on the ramp. Mark stalled it. Car go up on the ramp and we'll take a look, guys. So Mark's just sussing the situation now. I diagnosed it myself because I could see it misting out, and it's got worse.
Where was it misting out? Because it's every fucking where.
At the top, we had a look. This is the 1.6 petrol engine.
Okay, that's the return pipe. Is it just the one pipe? Is it?
Well, it's come as a pair.
I was going to say, is it a pair pipe? So
just stand there, look, guys. So the Ford pipes was 150 quid plus the VAT. And these are eBay specials, £40 posted.
Oh God, it ain't gonna fit.
With the union as well.
It ain't gonna fit.
Which Ford wanted about 20 quid for. Shiny.
It looks different. It looks different. You can laugh.
I'm taking the pee. Don't slit the pipe.
No pipe.
Head like that. You done many on the STs?
Loads.
Quite a common thing then.
It is, yeah. They can.
But they are slightly different on the STs, aren't they?
It's completely different.
Completely different. Anyone that owns a Focus that takes the headlights out, the headlights are so easy to remove. But it's when you come to that multi-plug at the back, you spend half an hour on it, couldn't you, Mark?
I don't know. Did you spend half an hour doing it once?
No, no, not at all.
Yeah, it's not so bad when the plug isn't broken.
So that bolt there was holding the reservoir in place. Just moving a few pipes there.
Yeah, let's see what is around. I'll set that bolt down there. Can't really see. Oh, where's your rear locking key?
See it dripping there, look.
I've undone the bottle. So
But this is as we drove in. You can see leaving a nice trail. So yeah, it's a little bit more difficult than first thought, but there's your power steering pipes, and look at the mess that we've got here. Although this is anti-rust treatment, here comes Mark with the brake cleaner. So Mark's just cleaning things down a little bit, get rid of all the oil.
Yeah, I need to put my hands in there. Fill this up.
Right, so we're having to remove the belts, and it looks like the pump's got to come off as well to gain access.
It is, because it's stretch belt, there's no tension on this. You're probably better off see if you can go get yourself a belt. It's pretty contaminated, that belt is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So there's a 13mm bolt there and an 8mm bolt over there, which is Mark's just to release the pipes.
That's that. So then there's only the pipes on the actual connections for the rack itself there. So I'm going to undo the AC pump. Just let it hopefully give me a bit more access to.
Yep.
Okay, so we've undone the AC just to get a little bit of room here with the pipes. We've taken the reservoir bottle off from the top, which allows us to get to some of the bolts, and we've undone all the bolts to the power steering itself, so hopefully now it comes out while I get covered in oil at the same time. Yeah. I guess everywhere. Oh, I've got a wire in up there, we've got a big wire. That's it, disconnect that. Oh. There's some granules down there. So, to get to that bolt there.
Just point to it again, mate.
There, that bolt. I'd never have got that while it was in situ.
No.
So now I can undo that, and then, well, I'm going to take the whole lot off in one and then fit it all together and then put it back on. So I need to do it on the steering rack now. Lovely. It's going to come off.
Pipes coming off the rack.
Yeah, it's just the little bracket. Well, is that? It's that rotten. I think I'll see rotten. I know. No top bits that want to go in it properly. Oh God! Come on. Come on. Yeah. Ow. Right. Now swap the power steering pipe.
So that's the new pipes attached to the pump. Mark's just offering it up now. One thing to note on these guys is that obviously you do pay for what you get. They was ordered off the Ford part number, which they was listed as on eBay, but some of the brackets are slightly different.
And pipe shape slightly different.
And pipes shape slightly different, so that makes it a little bit difficult when refitting. So we're going to see how this goes. So just bear with us and we'll be back shortly.
Hopefully, oh, it's in there. I can get the others in.
So Mark's just threading these 13mm and 8mm bolt back into the brackets after a bit of persuasion and brute force.
Oh yeah, if we can get the holes to match up. Yeah, okay, screw in. That's that physically fastened. See that, the original bracket goes around there, screws into that, but that can't because it's not there.
So Mark's just cleaning up all the oil residue, what was left. The brake cleaner.
As much as I can get off.
So due to oil contamination, as you can see there, it is advised to swap out for new belts. So that's what we're going to do. So that's that all done. All the belts are back on. So just got to finish off connecting up the top now. Pipe to reservoir, is it, Mark?
Yeah, yeah, the reservoir, yeah. The power steering. And the one I've got to put on now is the return from the rack.
Ah, okay.
That's a silly spring clip too.
You can just see it down there,
yeah.
Look.
I'm just going to put that on.
Final bolt, and then we can refill.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good one. Right guys, so as you can see, the car's all done. It's all sat there ticking away. Massive thank you to Mark at Automodz. Don't forget to go give him a like on Facebook, contact him for any work you need, servicing, modifications, repairs, etc. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.